Man real, ERP. I see.
Bless you, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and lioness. Speak of myself. Well, go on, well, for love and our blessings, and I give thanks to life. I don't know, be a water, you see it. So we give thanks to the rain, give thanks to the sunshine. So I say, life is so precious, live it clean, pure and true. Be grateful for the little that you have. Now, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode, yeah, you don't know. Man shot at Mall Plaza. Don't know, succumb to injuries. See? Up to New Kingston for the Yang them. So I'm talking about the Yang them.
Hitman, ride out, Yang. Pull up, loan bang bang. Everybody get wet, all children. Here say a friend, peer, fi kill friend.
And also Guyana police report low murder rate in 10 years. So we're going to quick update on that. Big up Guyana for that. Big up to the police force in Guyana. Zane, I don't know.
Man real from the end to the start. Man real from the south to the north. I see the realest youth with a clean.
And also, we're going to run through the song we are chipping and chip out by Zesty called Great. We did get a review already, so I'm not going to touch on it again. The video is out now, official video. Zane, I don't know we're going to end the show with two bad energy performance on Ruddy and Ragga. You know, the Marvin the Beast was here, and I don't know where. We get little clippings, so I'm going to dash them out. You see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. But before we kick off the show, you know the routine?
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, man, your support is highly appreciated. See? Give thanks. Yes, man. Let the channel evolve. So, me and some of viewers and subscribers. So, first, I don't know. You are going to pay condolence to the brother here. Because no matter if it's good or bad or what we say, we don't wish bad for no one or dead for no one. See? Yes, so, man shot at Mall Plaza succumbs to injury. You see me, and it's like program run and man them go film. I get to me and say, like, he go start out in passport me here, you see it? Yeah. So like him go start out in passport and you know, them pounce up on him. And I eat that and then 3 o'clock gone. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. So this is come from the Jamaica Observer. You know? A man who was shot and injured during a daring mid-afternoon attack hit on Tuesday at the Mall Plaza in Alpha 3. St. Andrew has succumbed to his injuries. The deceased has been identified as Prince Charles Winter, otherwise called Finger. See, so why Finger skin get burned up like ginger. You see me? So I don't know, condolence to the families and friends, you know what I mean? You know, I'm the man of peace. You see, my viewers and subscribers, so don't know if you can hear the rain from the umbrella, but be a rain out there, you see me? Be a water, yeah, so, yeah, Finger, Prince Charles, must go start out in passport, and that me here in the street, and man, them lay with him, like them trail him, program run. You know, I saw the badness around right now, Jamaica, the street. Program run, and, you know, then wait till him come out. Finish start out in book and them things. I don't know if I fast track him deal with it, I wait for the 7 days or what. You see, but it look like say them lay with him and pounce up on him. Somebody will know say they don't deal with that book there, the passport, with the leaks or tell somebody something go wrong because them gonna say, hey, you think you make you fly out and left free. Me don't know if him guilty or in a mix up or what. Me just a analysis, you know? Once again we say stop the crime and the crime now go end. I get to rest some viewers and subscribers. Yes, so Finger, so you go. No more amongst the land to live in. I got a bone yard, you know? Yes, Ashes Farm, you see it? So you go. Condolence again to Prince Charles and his family. Viewers and subscribers, a peace and love we say, you know? And to the youths them in and around Jamaica, we are going to place stop the crime, you know, a lion foot. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Yo, man, are the realest. Man, want be great, me no care who want to be the best. And me career, me a pray, me couldn't pray less. And me no German, so me never preach it.
Next, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, Guyana record their first lowest crime in 10 years, in a decade. And that is a damn good look. Damn good look. Guyana police reporting lowest murder rate in 10 years. So big up the whole of Guyana, Georgetown. You know I go Guyana already. You see me I said before. You see me I said, big up yourself, Sharon, big up, I don't know, Big Boss, Jeremy, big up yourself. Whole Guyana family, then big up on yourself. See it? Yeah, so the police here say Guyana is reporting 108 murders. So far this year, the lowest level in the past decade, as law enforcement authorities Tuesday indicated that serious crimes in the country had declined by 19%, addressing the launch of the Christmas policing plan 2022. Some of viewers and subscribers say, well, go on. Yes, man, and about 19% decline in murder, you know. You see it, since the year start. You get me, I say, I wish Jamaica was like that. You see it? Well, so you go, you know, again, well done Guyana, and tell you some in Guyana, stop the crime, and the woman them to stop the crime. Then, yes, man. And the whole world will say stop the crime. You see it? My viewers and subscribers. So let me know anything about that. All of the Guyanese people, if you say this, just drop a comment in the comment section. Yes, you man that me answer. So I don't know, viewers and subscribers, we're going to run through that song you know from Zesty Ice. Great. Zine, bad piece of song. I'll leave the link in the comment section so you can go check out the full official video. Zine? Yes, man. I don't know, we're going to end the show with Ruddy and Ragga. Bad energy performance. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Ruddy. I love that performance. You see it? Yeah, man.
Man real from the end to the start. Man real from the south to the north. I see the realest youth with a clean heart.
People, when you hear Zesty Ice, man, real, and a joke talk, me can tell you that a real youth in a real life. Yeah, man, and me shoot him first ever music video, me and White Shadow. Direct it. Zine White Shadow shot it. You see me I say, and me edit it. You see it? You big up yourself, Zesty Ice. Real youth, great.
Yo, man, are the realest. Man, want be great, me no care who want to be the best. And me career, me a pre, me couldn't pre less. And me no German, so me never preach it.
Me not like, me can relate and reflect to all of them words. Man, are the realest. Me want to be great, me no care who want to be the best. And my career, me a pre, nothing less. Yes.
Diamonds are forever, your man are the hidden treasure. Real means say you never bad mind your brother. Me a the cheese to the cheddar, me a the breeze to the weather. Real means say you genuine like the leather.
When you resist the ice, I'm the hidden treasure. I'm the breeze to the weather, cheese to the cheddar. I'm also genuine like the leather. Anybody when I like this, no bad man and no dirty and corrupt. Bad sound.
Love and joy when me refer together, that's what me prefer. Man real from the heart where they down in the chest, yeah. Them know ice causes, them know me a step about me real from the foot, them where down in the crep, yeah.
People, now listen to the words them. Don't sleep on the artist, carry on the artist song, you know the song bad. The man say real like the art where down in the chest, yeah. And the footwear in the crep, yeah. You see me? I just pure love and straightness, man. The man say togetherness in prefer. You see me? Yes, man. Big up yourself, Zesty Ice. Bad song, man. But visuals nice and clean.
No man are the realest. Man want be great, me no care who want to be the best. And me career, me a pre, me couldn't pre less. And me no German, so me never preach it.
Yeah, man, big up all of the real people about them, man. You see me? For you're real, just do the right thing and go support the artist. The link will go there in the comment section, pin. See? Zesty Ice, big up yourself. Go and put the work, you. Put in the work. Great look. Man are the real, man are the realest. Great, the song name, great. Yes, man, it's never too late. Go and check it out.
Hello, Brownie. Be right. Me love how they bleaching fix you. Then your hairstyle, your hair just a fix you. Your eyebrow and show them your nails. So your pride go Italian shop or a Frankfurt. And I drive inside that. I got a bad man time now, you know.
Viewers and subscribers, when I say energy, when I say stage performance, when I hear crowd a ball for forward, Ragga Rookie and Ruddy Irie, hey, Ruddy same name, show you. When you not see that yet, man, just watch the next vlog when I put up, because I put up the full performance of Ruddy Irie and Ragga Rookie. You see me? I don't know, you know, Marvin the Beast was here. Orthodox, me see you. Yes, man, Bagger British, I give them some bad mix too. A great look, man. Viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell. And let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know, your support is highly appreciated. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching Sl&pweh TV.